talking about self-reliant India, Atmanirbhar Bharat. I think that for Atmanirbhar Bharat, our agriculture has to be self-sufficient. So, Atmanirbhar Bharat through self-sufficient agriculture. Agriculture is not only one sector. It provides livelihood to more than 60% of the people, provide employment to 52% of the people population, and also it contributes more than 20% in national GDP. And if we take into consideration the value-added products from agriculture, its share is more than 47%. So it is half of the Indian economy. And when there are a lot of entrepreneurial opportunities in agriculture, and when we talk of entrepreneurial opportunities, there is one sector, very viable sector, economically viable sector, that is beekeeping. And it doesn't only provide money, it is in fact, wherever we keep the bee boxes, the production of the crops also increases by 15 to 20% through cross pollination. So it is very important, and it is the only enterprise where the repayment period is only 1 year. After 1 year, the cost of the box and beehive is returned, and then there is a profit, net profit from second year. Say the box of honeybee that cost around 4,000 rupees, and it repays its cost within 1 year. If a farmer, and another thing is that the land availability with the farmers is declining. There are 23% farmers who are having only 200 square meter of land. 85% of the farmers are small and marginal. And for those farmers who are having very small piece of land, it is a ray of hope. And that even the landless farmer, they can go for this kind of enterprise. The boxes can be kept on the ridges, roadside, and when there is no flowers for consumption of the honeybees, the boxes can be shifted. I am happy that our students are launching a YouTube channel for the promotion of this apiculture, and I wish them all the success and their endeavor. Thank you.
Apiculture is one of the oldest activity in India, and Indian honey has got a very significant market globally. Last year, in 2019-20, India has produced about 120 lakh quintals of honey, out of which 50% has been exported, which comes to the worth of about 730 crore rupees. It's a very profitable venture to start beekeeping. It can generate employment for a large number of people. If you keep just 100 bee colonies, it will fetch you an income of 3 to 5 lakh per annum, and can generate a manpower, working manpower for about 300 men. In UT of J&K state, at present we have got 1.05 lakh bee colonies, and we have got potential of about 7 lakh colonies. We can go up to 7 lakh colonies, and if we keep 7 lakh colonies, it will generate employment for more than 1 lakh families. So it's a very profitable venture, and our final year students of the agriculture program, they go for experiential learning in beekeeping. They learn how the secrets of this trade, and they can go for self-employment in this program, and they can start their own ventures. Even if they don't have enough land, they can keep it in the various orchards. They pay for it. The orchard people pay for it. This honeybee is very important for pollination in our fruit industry and in our cross-pollinated crops. The farmers pay for it if you keep your bee colonies there. So it's a very profitable venture, and we prefer that our students, they can take it as a main venture, or they can just add to their income by using this beekeeping as a venture. So I congratulate our students of experiential learning program of Honeybee that they are uploading this information for the benefit of stakeholders. Thank you very much.